There's a lot of fear surrounding the way African women think and feel about money.
I think I want you to pay your service charge. This is my problem with all these girls. You think we have time to waste? Forgetting that time is the money. Ego.
And the subsequent consequences of our relationship with money.
Oh, no. Whoa.
Oh? So you can talk now?
These are my things. These are my things. No! Oh my God! Sir, these are designers. Fendi. Oh, Christian Dior. Oh, Louis Vuitton.
Shut up, dear. Look at this guy. You're not even serious. So this is where you have been carrying on my service charge. And I put him. Oh?
Sir, girl has to have nice things now. See, look, Ade Soil and Wanna Symbol and Julia Peters. You see this?
Is that so?
Sir, all I ask is that you handle my things with care.
Oh. To handle your things with the care, okay? I can handle your things with the care, you know?
I don't understand.
Come on. Stop doing like a small girl. All this service charge wahala will just disappear. Fiam. You know, so just let me handle your things with care.
Thank you. And we look forward to working with you. That's it.
Is that it? Really?
I don't know.
Is she ever serious?
You know, if I had known this was what I was coming for, I would have saved myself the time.
Mr. Tunde, this is what we've been saying all along. She's not good.
I see now that you are right. And I apologize for this garbage. And now she's completed the train with this shockingly bad. Do you know what, Zuri? You are fired.
You know, in the history of professional presentation, this is the most abysmal thing I have come across. What a shame.
Shame, 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 shame.